This is the portable space heater by Dreo. This one is in black, a very, very nice, sleek looking portable heater. The back does have a handle for easy moving, has a fairly long cord that is matted. You've got your control panel on the top and you have your display here so you can press on, and you have 3 heat presets, so you can move through them by just pressing the plus sign. You can press mode where you can choose the temperature, and it works like a thermostat. So on low, you would have, the lowest would be 41 degrees Celsius, and it will just keep it at that temperature. You can also hit that mode button again, and it's just going to be on fan. So it's not warm air, it's just a cool breeze, which is really nice. What they call eco mode is the one that is thermostat, so it won't keep running. It'll stop once it reaches the desired temperature. You also have this timer button, so you can actually set this up to 12 hours, 1 to 12 hours, and it will shut off. You also have a child lock, so pressing these two together is going to give you a lock so that your children can't operate this. If you have children, that comes in very handy. So highly recommend this sleek portable heater, very quiet and very sleek looking.
Thank you.